Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Asana to manage guest access securely step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to your workspace or organization settings. Locate the Members tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Members tab to access member settings. In the Members section, look for the option labeled Guest Access. Select the Guest Access option to manage permissions. Review the current settings for guest access. To enable guest access, toggle the switch to the on position. Consider setting restrictions on what guests can view or edit. Click on Save Changes to apply your new guest access settings. Next, return to the workspace where you want to manage individual guests. Invite guests by clicking on the Invite button. Enter the email address of the guest you want to invite. Choose the appropriate permissions for the guest from the drop-down menu. After setting permissions, click Send Invitation. Once the guest accepts the invitation, they will have access based on the permissions set. Regularly review guest access in your organization settings to maintain security. To revoke access at any time, return to the Members tab. Find the guest in your member list and click on the Remove option. Confirm the removal to ensure the guest no longer has access. By following these steps, you can securely manage guest access in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.